Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10 lines on myself. You can also write this under the topic Myself Essay in English or Essay on Myself in English. First line is My name is Abhishek Malhan. Second line is I am 8 years old. Third line is I live in Delhi. Fourth line is my school's name is public school. Fifth line is I am a student of class 3. Sixth line is my favorite subject in school is science. Seventh line is I love to learn new things every day. Eighth line is I enjoy spending time with my friends. Ninth line is I dream of growing up to be a doctor. Tenth line is I will make my family proud.